Hello everyone, welcome back to QA Online Academy. I hope you've all had a chance to master our previous lesson on Python modules, because today we're diving into something every developer needs to handle: time. We're exploring Python dates, and by the end of this session, you'll be able to manipulate time like a pro. Ready? Let's get started. A date in Python isn't its own data type, but we can import the datetime module to work with date objects. To see it in action, we import datetime and call the now method to get the exact current moment. So what does that actually look like when we print it? Let's check the console. When we print our variable, we get a detailed timestamp containing the year, month, day, and even down to the microsecond. This object contains all the methods we need to extract specific parts of the date. Now, let's look at how we can extract specific information from this object, like the year or the weekday. For example, we can easily return just the year using x.year, or use the strufttime method with the %-a directive to get the full name of the current weekday. We can also create our own date objects using the constructor. It's very straightforward. To create a specific date, we use the datetime class constructor. It requires 3 main parameters: year, month, and day. While time and time zone are optional and default to 0, these 3 are essential. Formatting is where it gets really fun. Let's see how we can turn these objects into readable strings. The strufttime method is incredibly powerful for formatting. By passing different directives like %-b, we can turn our date object into a readable string, like the full name of the month. There are many directives you can use to customize your output. Here are some of the most common ones. %d gives you the day of the month, capital Y gives the full year, and capital H provides the hour in a 24-hour format. Experiment with these to get the exact look you need. Now it's your turn. Open PyCharm on your computer. I want you to create a date object for January 1st, 2025, and print the short version of the weekday using the correct directive. Good luck. I'll give you 10 seconds to solve this. Go! Ready? Let's check the solution. Time's up. Here's the solution. We create the object with 2025, 1, and 1, then use %a to print WED for Wednesday. Great job if you got that right. That wraps up our session on Python dates. Don't forget to watch our next chapter on Python math, and please go back to previous lessons to practice. Repetition is key to vibe coding. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok at tiktok.com/@QAOnlineAcademy for more. Visit our official website at QAOnlineAcademy.com and leave us your feedback. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next lesson.